I'm gonna shoot at it more.
There's paintballs everywhere.
And there's even a broken dart.
I mean, everywhere.
He does do that.
All over the floor.
All over the wall.
He's been shooting my deer with blow darts.
Yep. Also, I just stabbed mine.
And he's been stabbing it with an Angry Bird.
This Angry Bird. Angry Bird on a stick.
Get your blowgun and stick a dart in it. Cut my finger again. Twice. Come over here and kill this deer. Uh-oh, I missed. You're going to bend your stick. Where'd your dart go? We are fixing his four-wheeler. Unfortunately, the brake got rusted and stuck, and I got it to where it'd go up and down. But this thing, trying to beat it off of this thing, it's supposed to move easy. Couldn't get it to go, so I pounded on it with a sledgehammer and a punch, and it broke the whole thing off. So we drilled a hole in it, and drilled a hole through the frame where it broke off, right down there, and we're going to put a bolt through it. In one of my previous videos, I showed that bike. It says it's a Kawasaki. That's a Chinese Sun L. So is this. These are both Sun L Chinese. I just put those decals on them when I got them for that. That is a Kawasaki though. But we're gonna see if we can get this fixed.
I'm missing all my darts.
I guess this is kind of a redneck repair.
I'm missing all my parts.
Well, you need to find them.
No.
Got to fix this brake
How do I find them?
for Toad's four-wheeler.
That's mine. I get to ride it.
Yeah, he gets to ride it.